Alright guys, so as you might be able to tell, we're not in the RSX anymore. So we are in the S2000. I have the plate, it's on the road. I'm gonna go for a drive. Let's go. Alright, so I don't know how loud this is gonna be on, but this is not a quiet car. So I have driven the car already. It's not fair to call it a first drive. Maybe we'll just call it like a victory lap. The car is now officially registered. It is back on the road. It is a rebuilt title, and it's good to go. So I just wanted to post a quick video, give you guys some updates, and that's what this will be. Like I said, I'll do a longer video later, but for now, I'm going to enjoy this car. So stick around, and here we go. So after reviewing a bunch of the video, and particularly the audio, just with how loud the car is and how the audio sounded inside the car, I decided I would do a voiceover here, maybe talk about some of the things I got going on coming up. If you haven't been able to tell already, I did speed the videos up. They are at about 2 times speed, just to cut down on the time. No one wants to watch, 25 minutes of me driving through the woods. So I definitely need to do the brakes. Those are going to get done probably first. And other than that, the car drives well. So yeah, just keep watching. Like I said, I cut probably a 30-minute drive down into a few minutes of video, and I hope you enjoy it. So here we go. Guys, we're just about to the house now, so hope you liked what you saw. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Well, for anybody that wants to see the full unedited footage from all these dash cam type shots, let me know and I'll put something out there. Probably end up being about 10-15 minutes long, but if you want to see it, let me know.